Welcome to you all in Kana Math classes for class 12 math under CBSE board based on the pattern NCERT. In previous videos of vector algebra, I have already discussed you and projected the knowledge about vector and scalar quantities, their position vector, and how to determine the unit vector in definite directions, cosines, parallel vector, equal in magnitude vector. In that continuation, we have already discussed up to exercise number 10.2. Now in the next exercise, that is 10.3, we will use that property already discussed earlier. Here we will find out the product of vectors. There are two types of product: scalar product and cross product. Scalar product means often and usually we use the terminology dot product, and for vector product often and usually we use the cross product. Now in present question we will use the dot product of vectors. Dot product of vector, if there are two vectors A and B, as in question number 1, we have to find out the angle between the two vector AB such that their magnitude or mod of vector A is √3 and mod of vector B is 2, and dot product A dot B is given under √6 by formula dot product of two vector AB is equal to mod of A mod of B into cos theta, or cos theta is equal to E dot B means √6 upon mod of A mod of B, √3 into 2, and that is 1 by 2 √6 by 3, 3 2 ja 6, that is upon √2 upon 2. Cos theta is equal to √2 upon 2. We may write 2 as √2 into √2. √2 will be cut by this, 1 upon √2. 1 upon √2 means cos pi by 4. Hence theta is equal to pi by 4, the angle between two vectors. Here in question number 2, it is given vector A is equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, while vector V is equal to 3a minus 2j plus k, and we have to find out the angle between these two vectors by using the formula of dot product of vectors. By using formula dot product of AB is equal to mod of A mod of B cos theta, or cos theta is equal to dot product of AB upon mod of A mod of B. Now replacing the value of a by this, I minus 2j plus 3k, and while instead of b we will use 3i minus 2j plus k. One thing remember you, while finding out the dot product of vector, we will only select the coefficient of I, j, and k, because here coefficient of I in this vector is 1 and here 3, and the mod of vector A and cos theta AB upon B. Cos theta is equal to I 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1 upon mod of A. Mod of A means under root coefficient of I 1 square, coefficient of Z minus 2 square, and this is 3 square into mod of B, 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. Now 1 into 3 means 3 minus 2 plus 4, and 3 into 1 plus 3, and here 1 and this is plus 4, 5, and this is plus 9, minus 14, 3 3 are 9 plus 4 plus 1, 9, 4, 13 plus 1, 14. Now cos theta is equal to 3, 4, 3, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 10, 10, and this is root 14 into root 14 without root 14, 2 5 are 10, 2 7 are 14, 5 by 7, or cos theta is equal to 5 by 7, hence theta will be equal to cos inverse 5 by 7. This is the angle between these two factors. Now in question number 10, it is given A is equal to I minus j, B is equal to I plus j, and now you have to find out the projection of vector A, that is I minus j, on vector B, that is I plus j. Now projection of vector A on vector B is equal to dot product AB upon mod of B, that is I minus j I plus j upon mod of I plus j. Here dot product I means 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into plus 1 upon under root 1 square plus 1 square. Here 1 minus 1 upon root 2 or 0 upon root 2 or 0, hence projection is 0. Hence projection is 0. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe the video.